Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures for your earbuds ANKER Liberty 3 Pro. And before we're starting, I want to show you that I customized some gesture. So firstly I enable single press because by default it is disabled. Then for the double press I select to play next track at the right earbud also, so I play it at the both of the earbuds. For the press and hold I change right earbud, and for the triple press I also enable it like with the single press, and I change volume control to play previous track. Now let's check it. So if I press one time at my right earbud I will increase the volume. And as you can see at this widget it works. To lower the volume you need to press one time at your left earbud. So press on it, and as you can see it also works. If you press two times on your left or right earbuds you will play next track. 1, 2, and it works. To play previous track you need to press 3 times at your left or right earbud. And it also works. The last one we have press and hold, and if you press and hold at your right earbud you will play or pause the song. I'm just press and hold on it, and I just pause the song, press and hold, and I will play a song. And the last one we have ambient sound control. So let me show it to you. And right here we have it. So firstly, if this mode is disabled, you just press and hold on it, and it will enable firstly ANC, and then you press and hold again, and you will enable Transparency Mode. And if you press and hold the last time, you will also swap to ANC, because you can customize it in the controls. You can set right here in ambient sound to also disable these two modes. So it's up to you. I don't need it, but maybe you will need it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!